you're gonna go hunting and fishing, you know your Ford just may not do. You need a Chevy to get you out there and to bring you home when you're through. If you're gonna spend time fishing or hunting off deep in the woods, I wouldn't put keys in the ignition unless there's a Chevy underneath that hood. Cause my Chevy is built for the highways and built for the backcountry. It'll get you out on the byways and home as easy as 1, 2, 3. Your Ford just may not do. You need a Chevy to get you out there and to bring you home when you're through. The heartbeat of America, today's truck is Chevrolet.
Welcome to the Sportsman's Workshop, brought to you by today's truck, Chevrolet. Nobody's winning like the heartbeat of America.